Hi, welcome to Sciprex. In today's video, we will explore on software engineer. What is software engineer? A software engineer is a professional who designs, develops, tests, and maintains software systems and applications. They apply engineering principles and programming knowledge to create efficient, reliable, and scalable solutions that meet user and business requirements. Software engineers collaborate with cross-functional teams, follow best practices in coding and documentation, and stay updated with emerging technologies to ensure high-quality software delivery. Here are some professional and friendly question and answers for an interview. Q1. How would you design a scalable URL shortening service like Bitly? Answer. To design a scalable URL shortener, API layer, accept long URLs and return a short unique code using base 62 encoding. Unique ID generation. Use an auto-incremented ID from a database or a distributed system like Snowflake ID for uniqueness. Database. Use a key value store like Redis or a NoSQL DB like DynamoDB to store the mapping. Scalability. Use load balancers, CDN caching, and database sharding or partitioning. Redirection. A fast lookup and redirect service that handles millions of requests with low latency. Analytics. Track clicks and logs asynchronously using a message queue like Kafka. Q2. Explain the difference between concurrency and parallelism. How would you handle concurrency in a web application? Answer. Concurrency is about dealing with multiple tasks at once, structuring code to handle asynchronous operations, while parallelism is about executing multiple tasks at the same time, usually on multiple cores. To handle concurrency, use asynchronous I/O. Use thread pools or Go routines in Go. Implement mutexes, semaphores, or locks for shared resources. Leverage frameworks like Node.js, Akka/Java/Scala, or async libraries in Python. Q3. Describe how a garbage collector works in Java. What are GC tuning strategies? Answer. Java uses automatic garbage collection with different GC algorithms. Young generation. New objects are created here. Frequent, fast minor collections. Old generation. Long-lived objects. Collected less often. Major, GC. GC algorithms serial, parallel, CMS, and G1, GC. Tuning strategies monitor with tools like Visual VM or GC logs. Adjust heap size and GC thresholds with JVM options. Use G1 GC for applications needing low pause time. Avoid memory leaks by unreferencing unused objects and using weak references. Q4. How would you detect and fix a memory leak in a production Java application? Answer. Use profiling tools, e.g., Visual, VM, J, Profiler, or your kit to monitor heap usage, enable heap dumps, and analyze them with Eclipse, MAT. Look for objects that are not being released, such as unclosed connections or static references. Implement try with resources for proper resource cleanup. Apply code refactoring and fix cyclic references or long-lived caches. Q5. How do you ensure database transactions are ACID compliant in a distributed system? Answer. Ensuring ACID in distributed systems is complex due to network partitions. Strategies include use two-phase commit to PC, ensures atomicity but can block if the coordinator fails. Use distributed databases like Spanner or CockroachDB that support strong consistency. Apply eventual consistency where strict ACID is not required, with idempotent operations and sagas for long transactions. Ensure isolation using techniques like serializable transactions or MVCC. Q6. Can you explain the software development lifecycle SDLC? Answer. The SDLC is a process used to design, develop, and test software. It includes phases such as requirement gathering, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. This structured approach helps ensure high-quality software delivery and timely project completion. Q7. What programming languages are you most comfortable with? Answer. I am most comfortable with e.g. Java, Python, JavaScript, but I am adaptable and can learn new languages quickly based on project needs. I choose languages depending on the use case and performance requirements. Q8. How do you ensure the quality of your code? Answer. I follow clean code principles, write unit and integration tests, perform code reviews, and use static code analysis tools. I also adhere to coding standards and continuously refactor to improve readability and maintainability. And Q9. What is the difference between a process and a thread? Answer. A process is an independent execution unit that has its own memory space, while a thread is a lightweight execution unit within a process that shares the same memory. Threads are more efficient for tasks that require parallelism within the same application. Hope you like this video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thanks for watching Sciprex. Keep learning and stay inspired.